Hi everyone, Dr. Susan Frayne here. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about immune health and how it can be affected by the foods that we eat. The biggest thing to think about with immune health is making sure that we are not feeding our body with inflammatory foods. So specifically things like refined sugar, refined grains, those are all foods that can be very inflammatory. Even dairy can be inflammatory to our system. Specifically though, the refined sugars will end up putting our immune system into a coma. So as our immune system is kind of sleeping, so to speak, that's when we become more susceptible to the germs that are around us, which are around us, by the way, all the time. Virus, bacteria, you name it, they're always around. It's just a matter of whether or not our immune system is healthy enough to deal with those things. And when we're feeding it stuff like refined sugars and refined grains, that's not going to help. We're going to end up sicker or catching things easier than if we were feeding our bodies anti-inflammatory foods. If you think about it, our big flu season is right around the time when we have the most opportunity to eat refined sugars and inflammatory foods. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, those are the times when we're usually maybe drinking a little more alcohol or eating those Christmas cookies or eating that Halloween candy, taking a little bit out of the kids' little stash there because, the parent tax. So these are things that can diminish our immune system and our ability to fight things off. However, if we can eat anti-inflammatory foods and put our bodies into an anti-inflammatory state, that can make all the difference in the world. So what are some things that are more on the anti-inflammatory side? Well, things like chicken, your green leafy vegetables, your spinach, kale, things like seeds, fruits. You can get your vitamin C from some citrus fruits. You can get other vitamins, vitamin B vitamins, things like that. Olive oil, spices of all kinds. Green tea is another good one. So there are a lot of things that we can eat that are anti-inflammatory, or even drink, that are anti-inflammatory and can help give our immune system a boost, which, let's face it, we could all really use right now. So let's keep an eye on our diets for the next month, and let's make sure we are increasing our anti-inflammatory foods and decreasing our pro-inflammatory foods. Just because it's pro doesn't mean it's a good thing. So make sure we're watching those inflammatory foods, eat well, and we'll see you next week to talk about other ways we can increase our immune health. Have a great week, guys.